Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts! We're in the kitchen, and we're here to explain the 10 things you can make with an immersion blender. Rest assured, we'll also provide you with the best examples of products you can consider buying at the end of this informational video. As always, all the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. An immersion blender is basically a portable handheld blender with a single rotary blade. This speeds up the process of manually beating, emulsifying, pureeing, or whipping ingredients together, saving you a lot of time and energy. Immersion blenders are used by inserting them into a container of liquid such as a pot of soup, then turn on. You will now be swirling the tool throughout the liquid to ensure that the contents are uniformly blended. Most of these handheld blenders are usually capable of doing big jobs such as blending smoothies and pureeing soups directly in a pot. In addition, they're also great for handling smaller jobs like whipping cream and making dressings. A heavy-duty immersion blender, on the other hand, is powerful enough to process all kinds of tough ingredients such as cooked meats, potatoes, and vegetables, just to name a few. Now that we know what immersion blenders are and what they're used for, here's a list of the 10 things you can make with them. Number 1. Immersion blenders can be used for making mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is an emulsification of egg yolks and oil. Both ingredients, however, don't mix together easily, which is why an immersion blender is very helpful. As you beat the eggs, the oil is best drizzled slowly onto the mixture and the mayo will soon start to take shape. Number 2. Immersion blenders can be used for making salsa. If you're a big chunky food fan, blending a smooth salsa with an immersion blender is the perfect solution. You may add tomatoes, onion, garlic, jalapeno, cilantro, salt and pepper in a tall, narrow dish. The immersion blender is then moved up and down until a smooth salsa is finally ready to serve. Number 3. Immersion blenders can be used for making vinaigrettes. Vinaigrettes are made by mixing oil with acidic ingredients such as vinegar or citrus juice. This makes the immersion blender especially useful. You may simply blend a combination of olive oil, honey, and vinegar to get the base of your own vinaigrette. In addition, vinegar can also be substituted with balsamic, red wine, and rice wine, while you can also use lemon juice with a pinch of salt. Once blended together, you can further add herbs and seasonings of your preference. Number 4. Immersion blenders make great shakes and smoothies. Simply place some frozen fruit and yogurt cubes into your preferred container and just add juice until it covers all the fruits. You can also add smoothie ingredients of your preference before blending. You may then use the immersion blender in an upward and downward motion until it forms a smoothie. Number 5. Immersion blenders can make baby food and puree. When making baby food, immersion blenders are the best choice. The tool is capable of rolling steamed vegetables and fruit, as well as tough, fibrous ingredients like broccoli or beets into a smooth puree. It also allows you to conveniently puree baby food directly in the pot you're cooking in to save time. After steaming your favorite food combination, you can stick your blender into the pot and blend these ingredients for approximately 30 seconds. Afterward, your baby food is ready to serve. Number 6. Immersion blenders can make pesto. Simply add some fresh basil leaves, garlic, salt, and pepper into a tall dish and steam it in a bit of olive oil. You may then use the immersion blender to roll the ingredients in an up and down motion until you have a smooth pesto. Number 7. Immersion blenders are able to make soup. Cauliflower or roasted squash can turn into smooth, rich soups effortlessly with the use of an immersion blender. Just pour in a warm broth, stock, or water to control your soup's thickness. You can add roast garlic cloves, onion slices, and the vegetables of your preference. The blender allows you to puree the soup right in the cooking pot with a bladed wand directly in the soup mixture. Immersion blenders are a great tool to make soup that's velvety smooth and you want to achieve that luxurious creamy texture. Number 8. Immersion blenders make great tomato sauce. Once you have simmered your tomatoes to a soft consistency, you can use the immersion blender to break down the ingredient into a thick sauce. This makes the process a lot easier. You can add a handful of freshly chopped basil, some meatballs, or use the smooth sauce for a pan of lasagna. You can also save it by freezing the leftovers and pulling them out of the freezer during a busy weeknight. Number 9. Immersion blenders can be used to make hollandaise sauce. This type of sauce can be tricky to make since you're at risk of breaking the sauce or unintentionally cooking the eggs. The best way to go about this is to beat the eggs, lemon juice, and water with the immersion blender. You may then add melted butter into the egg mixture. The slow pouring process lets the butter emulsify the eggs without scrambling them, resulting in a smooth and creamy sauce. Number 10. Immersion blenders can be used to make whipped cream. With an immersion blender, making fresh whipped cream is extremely easy and only takes about 15 to 20 seconds to complete. In addition, it only takes 2 ingredients, cold heavy cream and powdered sugar. The trick to make whipped cream is to use an up and down motion while blending to incorporate as much air as possible into the mixture. You'll then have a fresh, lightly whipped cream in a matter of seconds. Now that we've covered the basics as to what immersion blenders are and what they're capable of making, here's a list of our top recommendations. Our first recommendation is the Braun MultiQuick 5 Immersion Hand Blender. This handheld blender is equipped with a high-precision and German-engineered motor that's evenly balanced for power and long-lasting durability. It also features power bell technology that makes use of durable stainless steel blades and a unique bell-shaped blending shaft for fast and finer results. Our team likes to highlight that the set includes a 20-ounce beaker and a whisk attachment. We found the attachment to be perfectly snug while being easy to remove with just one simple click. For added power, it has a turbo boost feature for increased whirling performance. The blender's soft handle provided our team with a comfortable and stable grip while operating. The Immersion Blender is BPA-free, making it completely safe for use in the kitchen. Overall, this blender performed with remarkable results, while its anti-splash shaft allowed our team to operate it without making any mess whatsoever. Our team at In the Home considers the Braun MultiQuick 5 Immersion Hand Blender to be a high-quality product with a reasonable price. These attributes make it a worthwhile buy for all kitchen enthusiasts. Our second recommendation is the KitchenAid 5-Speed Hand Blender. This 5-speed immersion blender boasts 3 interchangeable bell blades, making it extremely versatile and ready for any culinary task. The item is equipped with an 8-inch blending arm that easily locks into the motor body. This provided our team with easy operation when blending deeper pots. The set also comes with a wisp attachment to efficiently whip egg whites to fluffy peaks in cream or emulsifying vinaigrettes and mayonnaise. Included in the set is a 2.5 cup chopper attachment with lid locks for convenient chopping of herbs, nuts, cheese, cooked meat, and more. In addition, a 1-liter blending pitcher with a convenient handle and no splash lid is also included. This container is ideal for blending double batches of smoothies or baby food. The manufacturer even went the extra mile to make both the whisk attachment and blending pitcher top rack dishwasher safe, saving the user time and energy. The KitchenAid 5-Speed Hand Blender proves to be a very versatile tool capable of blending a wide variety of ingredients. Our team at In the Kitchen considers the blender to be a bit more expensive, but its numerous features, attachments, as well as its outstanding performance justify its price. Our third recommendation would be the Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender. This handheld blender is equipped with a powerful yet quiet direct current motor. It has a 2-speed function, allowing our team to blend smoothies and purees, as well as powering through tougher tasks. Our team was simply able to shift between high and low speeds thanks to its 2-speed slide control. Our team found blending in deep pots, pitchers, and bowls very easy thanks to its 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft. The handle's ergonomically designed grip also made it comfortable to hold during the blending process. In terms of safety, the blender features blade guards that prevent injuries when in use. Lastly, a 24-ounce mixing cup is included in the package. Our team at In the Kitchen finds the Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender a practical tool that provides great performance. Its safety features make it perfect for younger users who would like to test their blending skills. The device also comes at a very reasonable price, which definitely makes it worth your money. Our fourth and final recommendation is the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. This uniquely designed blender has a bell-shaped base with internal ribbings that reduces suction, allowing better control and efficient blending. The powerful 280-watt motor provides optimal circulation, ensuring all the ingredients are blended evenly. Our team found its ergonomic pistol-like control grip very comfortable during handling. Its trigger operation allowed our team to completely control the device during the blending process. With 15 adjustable speeds, the blender allows you to have precise control over your preferred texture. The blender's 8-inch immersion depth makes the device perfect for large quantities or tall pots. To prevent your favorite pots from being damaged, the blender features a non-scratch base. Both the blending shaft and its blades are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Included in the set are a hand whisk attachment, blending jug, and chopping bowl. The chopping bowl can be stored compactly in the jug, and the lid of the jug can be used as a base to prevent slipping during the blending process. With the exception of the motor, chopper lid, and whisk gearbox, all its parts are top rack dishwasher safe, allowing easy cleanup. Our team at In the Kitchen likes to highlight the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender's remarkable performance, precise speed control, numerous attachments, and ease of use. It has all the markings of a high-end handheld blender that definitely makes it a worthwhile buy despite its costly price. And there you have it, folks, the In the Kitchen team's breakdown of the 10 things you can make with an immersion blender. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We'll look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.